Over the last several years, I've been working in virtual reality, discovering new ways to tell stories and bring past historical events to life. The 2018 release of I'm a Man was released with an overwhelmingly positive reception, and through it, creating it, I learned a lot about this unique genre of storytelling, seeing firsthand its ability to move people and establish new empathetic views of the world. Today, I'm excited to talk about our next VR project, Barnstormers, Determined to Win. Through partnership with the Negro League Baseball Museum, a development grant from Epic Games through their Mega Grant, and with the partnership of Real Illusion, the creators of iClone and Character Creator, we are telling the stories of these great baseball players in a way that it's never been told, as the Negro League celebrates its 100th year anniversary. Here's a first look at Barnstormers, Determined to Win.
Negro League Baseball. They could play, but they wouldn't let them play Major League Baseball. Some of the greatest ball players to ever live denied to play. So they had something to prove. The world said Major League ball players were the best players in the world, see? So they had to prove to the world that the majors weren't superior because they were white, and they weren't inferior because they were black.